Good morning, students. This is your value education period. In value education, today we are going to learn the value of independence. What value we are going to learn? We are going to learn the value of independence. So, what is independence? Independence means to care for others around you as you care for yourself, and which you must without any expectations. What? Which you must without any expectation. What is independent? Independent means to care for others around you as you care for yourself, and which you must without any expectations. This probably is the toughest form of independence to practice, because when you make what? This probably is the toughest form of independence to practice. You can say in simple words, independence mean freedom. In last class, we have learned the value of freedom. The both value, independence and freedom, are the same. They have similar values. What? They have similar values. Okay, so I will share an example from the Bible about a man. Moses. I will share his experience. How was the Moses? Moses was a leader and he was an independent. He could have gone to promised land by himself, but he chose to save his people from the bondage of King Pharaoh. Not only that, while he was on his way, he faced many troubles. What he faced? He faced many troubles, but still he was helping the people of Israelites in the wilderness. In the wilderness, by providing many things like water and food. How did he help? He helped by providing many things like water and food. And also, he never kept his knowledge up to himself. What he did? He never kept his knowledge up to himself, but he shared his knowledge with others. He was not arrogant even though the people was murmuring. He was very calm and quiet. He was so selfless even at the point of when he was struggling a lot. That time also he never blamed his people or anyone, but he kept on doing things and never expected anything from others. What he did? He never blamed anyone, but he kept on doing things and never expected anything from others. Right, kids? So, what are the learning points from today's value for us? The learning point are helping, sharing, peaceful, caring, selfless. Yes, how can you be independent? By helping? By helping others, and by sharing, showing peaceful nature, and by selfness. How can you be independent? By helping others, by sharing, by sharing, and by showing peaceful nature, and by being selfless. Yes, god has god has made you so capable. If you have something, if you have some talent, so you can help other students and your classmates. By helping them, you can share your knowledge, and by sharing, you can spread peace and love with them. And by sharing peace and love with them, you will do care. And whenever you do all these things, you should do without any self. You should do selfless, like Moses did for his peoples. What? Like Moses did for his peoples. So, what are the learning points for us in today's values? Helping, sharing, peaceful, caring, selfless. By helping others, by sharing, and by showing peaceful nature, and by selfness, you can be independent. Independent means not only freedom or to be strong, but helping others. Yes, you should help others, and you should know how to share your things, and you should spread your love and joy and create a peaceful environment, and you should uh, care others without any self. You should do your work without any selfless. Be selfless, never expect anything in back, just do it. What? Be selfless, never expect anything in, just do it. Spread peace through your independent nature, sharing your values with others. Don't be so reserved, and helping others if you are capable, if God has made you that much capable, so you can share your knowledge, you can share your things, and you can help others with your things, with your knowledge. Okay, kids? So don't forget these learning points: helping, sharing, peaceful, caring, and selfless. What are the learning points of the value of independence? Helping, sharing, peaceful, caring, selfless. So now I will share a memory verse. You can memorize this memory verse. Now the Lord is the Spirit, and where the Spirit of the Lord is, there is freedom. What? Now the Lord is the Spirit, and where the Spirit of the Lord is, there is freedom. 2 Corinthians chapter 3 verse 17. What is the verse? Now the Lord is the Spirit, and where the Spirit of the Lord is, there is freedom. Where is freedom? Now the Lord is the Spirit, and where the Spirit of the Lord is, there is freedom. 2 Corinthians chapter 3 verse 17. Okay, so that's all about this value of independence. Okay, you should help others, you should share your things, and by sharing your things, you can share your love, your joy, and your peaceful nature. And you should be very caring, and do your things, do when you do something, do without any self do selfless. Be selfless, never expect anything in back, just do it. Okay, students? So bye bye, take care.